We're going to make a PDF file using Office Libre. So we have a test file. It's an ODF file, which is how files are saved in Office Libre. We're going to export it as a PDF. And we have to make sure that this hybrid PDF box is checked, and then export that. And we will give it a name different than test. We'll call it test PDF. Okay, our original document is still there, and we will see now that test PDF is our new document, and it is a PDF. We're going to use the open function to open up the editable PDF file. We're in this new file. On the top left, it does say test pdf.pdf. And we're just going to type a couple of words, and we're going to go and save it like we did before. Actually, we're exporting it like we did before, making sure that box is checked. We're going to give it a different name. We'll put 222 on the back of it. Okay, now we will check our work. There's our edited file. It is a PDF. Close that one. Now, Office Libre is a powerful PDF editor. You just need to know how to export it. Good luck with your PDFs.